So as you possibly be aware, about 80% of the banks in UAE are already our clients. But I think people consider us most like a system integration company, and then so the touch points are more from IT department. So I think events like Middle East Retail Banking Forum as an opportunity for us to directly connect with the business users, and especially to the retail side of it. Lately, if you really look at it, Finesse is always at the forefront of bringing in innovative solutions into the region. Now, so we have some few very excellent solutions for the banking and more so for the retail services industry. One, we have developed quite a lot of dashboards, which are useful to most of the business leaders in the various retail banking finance retail industry, as well as so we have some solutions which are on the predictive analytics side, which would help people from the banking side to take calculative decisions. So basically, when any innovation comes in, and especially when it comes to a newer market, it comes with a lot of questions in people's mind. How does it work? So whether people adapt it, what are the security concerns? Whether is it right for this? Should I be the first one to go in for? Things like that. So there are those kind of debates and deliberations are continuously happening. But I think that's our opportunities. See, our purpose is to initiate dialogues, and we see that those dialogues itself will actually lead to a very healthy kind of a business environment. So basically, if you really look at, unlike most other companies, what you see here, Finesse has zero products. So we don't exist if you do not have partners. So the whole business model itself is based upon partnership ecosystem. So we have two kinds of partners. One is the people who actually brings us solutions, like the customer experience, what I mentioned. So they create the solutions, the innovative solutions, and we bring them across to our client. The second kind of partners are the people who help us to actually reach out to our clients. So partner ecosystem is very, very, very important, and that's our nervous system actually. So Finesse is growing at about 50% year after year, and if you really look at it, almost every year we are opening up a new territory. We continue to be the lead provider in bringing innovations into the region. So I see that the whole of the banking industry is up for a change with like the Apple Pays and the Samsung Pays and the FinTech companies and all this coming in. So I think that is what we see as an opportunity, because see, when any kind of new technologies and platform coming in, that requires a lot of integration and related services, and this is where Finesse is very good at it. So I think you will see that Finesse business model will definitely be growing, and we will continue to acquire new customers. We will continue to increase our revenue, and then you will see that possibly we'll come to Europe as well, and that's what we're planning for the next couple of years. We will be present in Europe as well. The fact is that so this gives again an opportunity to meet up with our peers as well as with some of our clients, which obviously take a lot of time if you have to go ahead and meet up at their den. So from that perspective, it is good, but. I have also seen some of those presentations and seminars was pretty good. For example, there was one which was happened today on the morning half. He has actually taken through the payment innovations, and it was very, very interesting. To the extent that you can make payments as you drive across. You can just tell your mobile phone what you want to do, and the mobile phone will do everything for you, including your authentication. It can be done through multi-level authentication can be done through your voice. So from that perspective, it is good, and I think and I see that year after year this event is growing.